Hi guys, welcome to a new segment on my channel which I call Tutorial Tuesday. Alright, so Tutorial Tuesday is just about me teaching you guys how I'm using a lot of hand gestures, am I right? Okay, so I'm just teaching you guys new things regarding Photoshop which you might not know about. If you know about, then good for you, but if you're a total beginner, then this is the video for you, because in a short period of time, right after this video, I assure you, you walk away with new knowledge and you learn something new about Photoshop. Alright, so that being said, let's get started with today's episode. Alright, boom. Right, so today I'll be teaching you guys how to remove someone or something in a picture, alright, using Photoshop. I'm gonna use this picture as an example. It's of a man on a mountain, and let's just say for a moment that you don't want the man to be in the picture. You just want the mountain and the clouds. You just want the scenery in this picture, right? So how do you remove the man? That's simple. So you go to this tool. It's called lasso tool. It's on the right, on the left, as I'm showing you guys right now. Or keyboard shortcut is L, right? Then you draw a circle around this man, right? Then the selection area will come up. Then after that, you just shift and delete. You press shift and delete on your keyboard. Then your content should be content aware. If it's something else, then just change to content aware. Your mode should be normal. Your opacity should be 100%, and just in one click, he will disappear. Whoa, magic. Alright, so you just Command D to deselect him. Command D or Control D if you're on a Windows, just to deselect him. Okay, you're done, right? Not really. Okay, let's just, as you can see, right, the picture still has like a smudge over the area. So how do you remove that smudge from that area? Easy. You go to this tool called Clone Stem tool and just click S, alright? S for keyboard shortcut. Then after that, you just Option, click an area which you want to copy paste over, then just paint it over. So the photo is done, but of course I can like make it more cleaner and stuff, but just for the since this is just for tutorial sake, so that's how it works. It's just two simple steps on to remove someone or something in a photo: the lasso tool and then the clone stem tool. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys learned something. Even if you already know about this, then good for you. If you don't know and you're a total beginner, then I hope you legit learned something today. Anyways, my name is Toon. Thank you for watching to this video, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next Tutorial Tuesday. Bye. Oh yeah, by the way, if you haven't subscribed, feel free to go subscribe. Please just go subscribe, hit the like button, comment if you learn something. Yeah, so bye.